Come on, check other car. Come on, check other car which you can access. Go.
Alexa, copy.
Good copy, good.
Del
Then 5.
straight way.
Yeah, do that.
Doing straight way.
Alex, get in that car.
Got it, Alex?
What? You come to the capital garage first. Get in, listen.
I'm doing straight waves.
Come to capital
Yeah,
garage.
got it. Go ahead. Come on, go to the
10-4,
casino
sir.
parking.
I'm back from Kode and respawn at near EMS.
All right, we'll pick you. Don't worry. You are on duty? Who is near the UMS? You are on duty or off duty?
I'm on duty, but
All
got
right.
a Kode and somehow I got respawn at EMS. Don't know, it's a black magic or something, I think.
All right, reach the capital and as soon as possible.
10-4, 10-17 to capital.
Go to the casino parking. Come.
Okay. 10-4.
All the USS directors are requested to get the units and come to the casino parking as soon as possible. We have a schedule spec out.
10-4, 10-4.
Listen is busy. What happened? I can't hear. No, not this one. Yeah, that one.
I'm saying 10-20.
Casino parking. Not this one.
Okay.
Not this one. Come on.
Tommy, come to
Go back,
capital garage. You
Go
to
back.
Wait a minute,
Go back. Yeah.
Yeah.
The other one. Yeah, go straight. And take a right. Right. Yeah. That's one. Yeah. Park your car at the right side. Right side. The right floor. Right side floor. Not here.
Not there? Where?
No.
Zoro.
Zoro, how copy?
Zoro is doing department again. Don't disturb.
10-6 my last, sir.
Good copy, go.
What's your 10-20, Zoro?
Capital garage.
Listen, come
Just
to
wait
me,
for 1
please.
minute.
Tommy, no copy.
I'm coming.
Tommy, no copy.
Yes, Alex?
Put a barricade, listen.
Good copy, go ahead, man.
Here. Not in the grass, remember. Listen, not in the grass. Only in the floor, in the road. Yeah. Dust car can go with this space. Okay. Let's see.
Easily.
Come on.
Yes.
You will have a task, okay? If someone come with a car and want to go, we are hosting a car show, okay? So if someone comes with a car, just tell him to come outside and get his passport, and you have the right to search him. And if it's all right, then let him come.
Okay.
All right. How will do?
Can I search his car trunk?
No. Only the person.
Only person. Okay.
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah.
You got the money?
Yeah, I got the money.
All right. You are making the body cam?
Yes, my body cam is good.
Can somebody please check the left eye? Even after giving a bad copy, he replied.
So one thing, I'm in a spec ops with Alex, so you can say Deputy Governor is busy.
10-4, sir, doing department. Okay, department done.
Zoro, Tommy, and other. How many units at the capital gates? How many units are there in the capital gates?
There is no one at the capital gates right now.
Oh, can you please guard the capital gates, Saki?
10-4, sir.
Wait, do you see how copy? James, how copy?
DOC, DOC. DOC, how copy? Does anyone is coming to the spec up location?
10-4, sir. Zoro, Tommy, and me.
All right.
Wait. Sir, come outside.
Can I come with
Do you want to participate?
rented vehicle?
Do you
Yes,
wanna
I have rented vehicle, but
Listen, do you want to participate?
yes,
Alex, it's rented car.
This is a rented car. You're not. Zoro, come out.
Aki, what are you doing?
You are not.
Aki, come out.
If
Aki.
you have cars, then you can participate.
Sorry, it's a muscle flex.
Don't. No one with the rented car. Listen. Remember. Listen.
Uh-huh.
If the family owner
Yes.
is not. Listen. Anyone with the rented cars, family cars are not allowed. If the family owner is not driving the car, okay? If family owner is not participating, no family cars are allowed. Also same with the
Sir, wait.
other thing.
Watch out, okay?
Hey, come outside. He
Oh,
is
what?
he is disqualified. He is disqualified right now. Take him outside as soon as possible.
Guys, come back, guys.
Put a second barricades. Don't let anyone in.
Sorry for that muscle flex.
Zora and Tommy, put the barricades put the barricades near the. Yeah, thank you. And Aki too. Put the second barricades. Behind them.
Hello, brother. Hello.
You are disqualified. You are disqualified. Go outside. This is an order.
Tommy, remove. It's wrong.
Can you tell us where is the car?
Yeah. Do you wanna participate in the event?
yes.
Listen, ma'am, come to me. We have told you to stop.
Sir, remove the mask.
Listen, ma'am. We have told you
show
to
your
stop,
passport, sir.
but you haven't. That's how you got disqualified. So if you not go,
Sorry, my boyfriend is such a idiot.
Then I can't
Okay,
help
I'm
you.
gonna
Please
search you
go.
for illegal items. Okay, wait. Okay,
Yes?
so you can participate. Go inside and park your car in parking lane. Okay.
Take your card out of here. Take your Zentrona out of here,
Sir,
please.
please. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No, no,
Next
no,
time,
no.
I don't
You heated our
Tommy,
minister.
Tommy,
Remove this barricade. Remove this barricade.
Tommy, remove this barricade
Okay,
and
sir,
place it here.
move.
Place it here.
We are saying you move.
Place it here. Where I'm standing. Yeah, place here.
Move with your car. Move.
Okay, now
No need to put those barricades. It's all right to those sides. No need to put extra barricades.
okay. Also give me the patch. Okay.
Alex, sir, sorry for the muscle flex. Speaking OC,
Patch.
my little sister flexed the muscle.
Ah, okay. No problem.
Hello, sir. Hello.
You are still here? I have told you
Sir,
to leave.
we
You
are
are disqualified, sir. You can go. You can't join the event because you broke the
Someone
event.
please remove these barricades.
Oh, what?
No
What?
need of that.
Don't flex your muscles, okay? If you're flexing your muscles again, it's not good. Move.
No. You don't think how ESS are? Someone please take off this barricade.
Yeah, go at your car.
Someone please take off the barricade. Here. Yeah, thank you.
No.
Hello. Sir, stand in front of your car. Don't roam around, okay? Stand only in front of your car.
Okay.
Yeah, have a good day.
Yes, yeah.
Listen, gather some participants, man.
Do something, guys.
Tommy cup drop. Capital how copy? Alright, any one units go back to the capital. One units only.
Okay.
No,
Yep,
zero.
Let's
Yep, zero.
let
Ah,
you
go
three
back
be
to
here.
the-
Let you three be here.
Ten
Tommy, how copy?
No.
Let's
Alex.
go. Yeah, what?
No. Let's Aki, let Tommy be here.
Alright.
Okay, I'm
you
going
can-
to capital.
Let's start.
There is one more participant.
Okay, check his passport and search. And also check his car. He's
Yeah,
the
yeah, I
owner.
will participate. Please keep up. Okay, he's out.
Everywhere.
He is my husband.
Fine. Okay, he's your husband. Okay. I'm gonna search you. Ma'am.
Zoro, check the car documents also, okay?
Yeah.
Why won?
Okay. I guess they had illegal activity, so they might be coming back to. I don't know.
Oh,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Kindly
Again,
don't
say.
do departments as
No,
per
I
orders,
can't.
guys.
Yeah, do same thing. Don't do Zoras.
Please stop doing departments. He got notification, but he doesn't follows it. So there is no need to. Tell them that bad copy. Anyone. Aki, you can do that. Just tell him bad copy.
Asgar, are you coming in
Sir.
car?
Yes, sir. Stop your vehicle. Wait, wait.
Hello, Eli.
Hello.
You want to participate in this event?
Yeah, I want to participate.
Okay, remove your mask, show me your passport.
And
Remove
take
your
off
mask
your
and show me your
helmet.
passport.
Take off your helmet too.
Take off your helmet.
Alex,
Yeah.
Asgar is coming.
All right. Nice.
Okay, this way I'll check.
Sir, stop your vehicle. Come
It's
outside.
Shadow. Yeah, Shadow, show me your passport, please.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Hey, Shadow, you have a Jeep, right? Shiroke.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna search you.
Jeep Shiroke.
Wait, I'm gonna check your car documents also.
हाँ क्या बोलो yes.
You have a Jeep
Okay, you
Shiroke,
can
right?
I think so.
Yeah, I have seen you at morning with the car.
Listen,
Okay.
listen. Come here.
Yes. What?
Vehicle search it.
Okay, I'm gonna search it.
Don't need to search vehicles. Just checking the VIN numbers. Shadow, enter.
Okay, okay.
Hey, what the heck? What do you need? Hello?
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Listen, should I leave him in?
Yeah. Just keep an eye.
Okay, does he have illegal items?
Yes, he has illegal items in his car, not with him.
No issues with the car. Just let him go.
Okay. Okay. And stay with your car. Go and park there and stay with your car.
Sir, stop here.
Sir,
stop
sir,
here.
sir,
Stop here.
stop.
Don't go inside. Stop here. Remove your mask. Remove your mask and show me your passport.
Punjabi.
Go stand in front of your car. Don't roam around.
Okay. Go inside. Go inside with your. Inside.
Yeah, stop your car. Yeah, stop your car. Show me your passport, ma'am. You wanna participate in the event? Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna search you. Okay. Mithun, you can participate, but this lady can't. Okay. Not
She's
this.
Wi-Fi. She's
Yeah,
not
so
she's
she can't. You can come, but she will not. In part, she will. She can't come inside. Yep. Ah, Oscar. Yeah, show your passport, Oscar.
Okay.
Can you remove your mask, Oscar? Also. Can I search you?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna check your car. Wait, I'm gonna check your car documents. Okay.
Also,
Okay,
you
you
can
can
search
go.
me, by the way.
Okay, I'm gonna search you. Yeah,
Uh,
okay, you can go.
big people.
Oscar, you can go.
Oh, he's
Okay.
a LSPD guy, right?
No.
LSPD?
She is a deputy director of FIB. He's more than.
Jason,
Huh?
this car is clean, but owner wearing a vest.
Okay, just tell him.
Take your vest inside.
Take out your
Take
vest.
your vest. Take off your vest.
Take your vest inside your pocket, man. Otherwise, you're not allowed.
Pocket.
I think
Hello, brother. Are you listen? I am audible.
Yes.
It is a some kind of glitch. He has no vest, but it shows.
Uh,
Yeah, I searched him, but we don't
Okay.
have
Does he have a vest in his pocket? Means in his inventory? Does he have a vest in his inventory?
Hello, what's happened?
hello, sir. Sir, don't show vest.
Okay. Do you have a vest in your inventory? And I'm going to search you up.
No, this vest is legal.
Nah, I am saying if you he haven't a vest. In inventory.
He has no vest, brother. He has no vest, but it shows that he have a vest.
Alright. Enter. You can enter.
You can check it. Okay, shall I go with him?
You can't participate, but you can see the event. You can see the event.
Okay, where I can go this way or another way?
No. You can take enter by foot.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Karan, you can enter.
Sir,
Let's go.
Wait. Sir, wait. Come outside.
No. He has checked. He has been checked. Go. Enter.
Karan, I am not going with you. You have to go yourself. I am just.
Listen, how many participate in we have got?
No idea. Wait, I'm gonna check. 6 participants. No, 7.
Should we wait or start? Wait.
Just wait for 3 more.
Sir, stop your vehicle. Come outside. Come out.
What? I'm not gonna remove mask. Very well.
Show me your passport.
No, Alex.
Bro, please.
Sir, I never asked you for ID, sir.
No passport.
Effie, do it. Do this. Remove your mask, man. Yeah, go inside.
Radio check.
Good check.
Sir, I'm going for a radio silence for at least 10 minutes.
Shit happens. Okay, 2 units with us. Other one, go. Go fast.
I'm going. Tommy, come with me.
Tommy, go.
Can I go?
No, meet that way. Don't go. We need you. We have 8 participants, right? Listen.
Tommy, hop in. Tommy.
Listen, we have 8 participants, right? Listen.
Hello, relay.
Huh? You wanna participate?
Bro, Alex already got my passport.
Yeah. Leave him. Listen. Leave him. I have checked him.
No, he was punching me, that's why. He came
Oh.
and punching me.
Okay. Come. Listen, how copy? Listen, how copy? Radio check.
Good check.
Louder.
Listen, how copy? Bro.
Good copy, go ahead.
Shall we start?
Yes, we can start.
Okay, close the entrance. Okay, come with me, come to me. Let's close the entrance.
Tommy, tell to everyone, stand in your cars. Stand on your cars, okay?
Tom is with me. We are going to the DOC.
Where are you?
Go. Go at your car.
Alright, take all the participants to me. Gobunis, take all the participants to me.
Alexa, 10-5 your last, please.
Take all the participants to me.
Alex, they are here. Tell them. Make a queue, guys.
Alright, let me tell
Radio
you
silence
something.
for 10 minutes.
Everyone come. Effie, I know you are
Guys,
my
go
friend.
back,
Yes.
guys. Make a line. Make a
I know
proper
you are
line.
my friend, but what you're doing is not likely to be happen, okay? Please be professional.
I'm doing it on Özgür.
Oh.
Sir,
Fuck
make a
you,
line.
You fuck you too.
Alright, everyone stop. So let me tell you some rules of the event, okay? Everyone,
What are you doing, bro? It is illegal action, bro.
shut up, man. Let me talk.
It is illegal action, bro.
Let me talk. During the event, you shouldn't have to be in front of your car. Checking the other's car, going in front of any other's cars, interrupting are not allowed. Second one, the family cars.
Officer, what happened, bro? You are not audible, bro.
Am I not audible?
Yes,
You are audible. Very loud in the air.
Alright. What I am saying, you shouldn't wear the mask while the while what the heck, bro? You should cover.
Prideful this event has.
Everyone can hear me.
300k. Like who will the first? He will get 150k.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
second
second
100K.
100k. Okay. And third 50k.
Get Tommy getting.
Okay.
Yeah. Make a queue, guys. Make a queue.
Alright. So you should have to be in front of your car. You shouldn't use the mask,
Which queue? Horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal, man.
Okay.
bro. Why you are talking in front like when I am talking? Alright. Anyways, do you guys understand the rules? Hello.
Alex, wake up, Alex.
Alex, come drop.
Hello.
Alex, kalk drop bro.
Alex, cup drop.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So you shouldn't have to use the family cars for the event. You shouldn't go in front of others' cars while the event is going on. You shouldn't wear the mask, and you shouldn't do any kind of mischievous behavior to any other player, any other participant. So remember that.
Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है.
So go back to your car, and we will start the event shortly. Go, 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 go. Listen, come. Only listen.
Okay, Zoro and Tommy, when you will free, come here again. Okay.
First is also. Second one is the FE's car, and third one that
Hey,
green one. Okay,
First Osgur, second FE, and third
the green one. Green the second
Max.
third one we'll discuss. Okay, let me check. Let us have a look. By the way, I need a car in front of here. Where the car has gone? Every car.
Because Aki went in capital and Zoro and Tommy went in POC.
Listen, come to me. So, can I get your passport, please? Bro, what's happening with your car's bumper? It's coming out every time. Listen, is it visible to you too? That bumper is coming out?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the specification for your car?
Don't know.
Who is a debt collector? Give him demand and
It is a normal car.
Wait a second.
You have 5 seconds to live. Go, 5. Wait, don't shoot.
Don't shoot. Alright, it is a normal. What is the model name? What is the model name? Am I audible to you guys or not?
Yes, you are audible.
What is the model name, Vivanta? Vinendra, what is the model name? Okay, you're not wanna say anything.
Hello, come over here, stranger. Show me
Yeah.
passport and book.
Am I audible or no?
Yeah, you are audible.
Albanese GTS 5, my model name.
Alright, does the color is customed or it has came with the car? Company color?
No, it is came with a car.
Alright, what is the specification do you have? Any special abilities?
No.
Just stock?
No. No. I don't upgrade any this car, bro.
Alright, what is the maximum speed of this car?
I think 212.
Alright, someone take a car in the casino path. Okay, go to the race course, we'll test your speed. Go to the race course with the car. Go to the race course with the car. There.
Okay.
Zoro,
Listen, get in. Zoro, get in.
we are not going. Hey, come out. Wait, Alex, get in. Tommy, get out.
Tommy, get out.
What the fuck? Why, man?
It's
Go,
an order.
I said go.
Where
Wait.
to go?
Tommy, it's an order. Please come out.
Just tell me where to go, man. Where to go?
Just stand
Just
there.
stay there. For their protection, go.
Wait. Come. Yeah, wait here. Oh, go. Yeah. Start. Go. Wait, not you. Go. Go fast.
This car goes only this much product. What can I do, Alex?
Oh man. Where is our BMW, man? Someone
Where?
take back the BMW, bro.
According to me, it's 160 or something.
Stop. And
Maybe the car speed is
140.
180.
140.
yeah,
Because,
180. Yeah, go back to your
I
parking
was going at 120.
go back.
I was going at 120. Wait,
Let's go.
till you guys do the The car, I will go and bring another car. Okay?
Alright. Go fast. Wait. Alright, do it fast.
Take the Grooty.
Which one, Groti?
No. Take a four-seater. Like,
10 for I'll bring
No,
an
no,
BMW.
Alex. Grooty is good. You can go with Zoro.
no. Then you can't go
Okay.
there. Alright. Can you show me your passport?
Guys, should I bring a 4-seater or 2-seater?
Four-seater.
Yeah.
Okay, King. What is the model name of this car?
Jester Classic.
Can you be louder to little bit?
Jester Classic.
All right. Zoro, take Groti. We have speedy cars.
10 for. Yeah.
Okay. It is a stock color or have you changed the colors?
Stock color.
It is
Change color.
All right. Okay. Any special specification for your car?
Sir,
Yeah, it has suspensions, transmission, tires. Level 3.
Tommy, you said you are told to stand at a place. Don't need to roam around. Okay.
Just checking, man.
High quality suspension, transmission, tires. And drift system also.
All right. What is the top speed of the car?
Cost.
Listen, come to me. Listen,
It
come
is,
to me.
like-
Don't roam. Listen, don't roam. Listen, come to me. Listen, we need your body cam, man. Okay, you said it has. What special specifications you have done?
Yeah.
What are they? What special things you have done on the car? Like you have told suspension and all.
In this
What
car, suspension, transmission, and tires of high quality.
All right. So.
And drift kit or drift system also.
All right. Okay. Can you tell me that what is the top speed of the car?
Cost.
What is the top speed of the car?
Top speed
Yeah.
300.
300.
320.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All
Yes.
right. Go to the race course. We will check your top speed.
Hey, who are you? Hello? Who are you? You are not allowed.
What?
Pleasant, come with me.
Go back.
Pleasant, come with me. Pleasant, come with
Pleasant sit in his car.
Where can I sit? Hello?
me. Trunk.
Lol. Go, guys. Alex, go.
All right. I am sitting on the trunk. Just sit on the back. Okay? All right. Let's go. All right. You can start. Oh, bro. Wait. What is this? Okay, King. Start
Okay, sir.
moving.
Go to your top speed. Go to your top.
Yeah. Start moving to the
Yeah, okay. Go back.
Okay, show
Go
some.
back, sir. Go.
Show. No, wait. Hello, King. Show some drift activities. Show some. You have drift kit, right? Show some drift activities. Yeah, show that. Again. Wait. Zoro, don't go. Alright, you can go back. You can go back. You can go back. Go, go, go. I believe, listen, it is the third one.
What?
It is the third one.
Yeah.
Go back, go back, go back.
Hello, King.
back
King.
and park
Go
inside.
back in your parking.
back.
Go back to
back.
parking space.
It's a really good car.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Drift system is good.
Leave and I'll copy.
Good copy, guy.
Can you please show me your passport, sir? Hello? Hello?
What?
Can you please show me your passport?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm making.
Yes, of course.
Okay, what is the specification for the car?
Like it's a Thrax, it's a super sports car, and I have upgraded many things like suspensions and also engine, everything I have upgraded, but not the full modification. And I have done like a vinyl, I have painted mine in black color. I have just updated my wheels in orange type.
Yeah, this is a
and
projection
The
one,
top
right?
speed will be what?
Projection names.
Yeah.
Alright, you have a color for your car. Does it come with the stock or you have upgraded the livery?
I have upgraded the livery.
Alright, what is the name of the full name of the car?
It's a Thrax.
Alright.
THRAX.
What is the? Do you have a drift kit?
No, I don't have a drift kit.
What is the top speed of the car?
Around like 450 to 500.
Alright, we wanna check it. So go to the race course and wait for us.
Okay.
Okay, run.
Sir, Shadow, you don't have a repair kit?
Shadow, do you have a repair kit?
Should I start?
Do you have a
You don't
repair
have a
kit?
repair kit? You
No,
because
I don't. No, I don't have a repair kit.
Oh my god.
I have used that.
Who had put in the spikes, man? Who have put in the spikes there?
Huh? I don't know.
Tell anyone in radio that if someone has put in the spikes, so remove it. Where did he gone?
repair the tracks.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Alright, you can go, Shadow. Start the engine and do the rest.
Stand near your car. Near.
Go near car. Make it. It's a sport ticket.
Wait. Get 200. 200.
Shadow, come back. Shadow.
Who have dropped me, man?
170.
It was
170?
more.
What is the top speed?
Oh, should we do it again?
No. What is the top speed?
Because I was only at 180.
Yeah, I think so. Should we do it again because I'm not sure about that top speed.
Alright, we can do it again.
Okay. I guess it's 200, 210.
Yeah, I guess I'm not sure
Yeah.
because I was not seeing that speed. Should I leave or do it one more time? Just tell me that.
I'm pretty sure, Alex, it's 200 and 200.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Okay, run.
Move.
Bring it down straight.
I'm running
Guys, done.
And try your last version.
Done.
Oh, thank you. Osgur is here. No worry, guys.
It's nearly about 198 to 200. Like
Yeah.
197 or 198.
Yeah, 197. 200.
Okay. You can go back in your file.
Okay, thank you so much.
Tommy, check your mic, please. Speaking OC. I don't know what sound is coming out of that.
I'm saying he got a code A. I tase him, he got a code A.
Guys, you cuff them or did you cuff him?
No, I just tase him. He got a code A.
Okay, just come back, guys.
Zero, what is the top speed? Zero.
It's 198 to 200.
Alright. What is the owner of the car?
Okay, cuff him, Kamal.
Yeah.
Cuff him.
Okay.
Bro, I am a new player.
Okay, sir. I cuff you.
Hello, bro, I am a new player.
I drag you by my
3
arm.
days.
Cuff him again.
Okay, sir. I cuff you. I drag you by my
Go
arm.
back. If, the participants go back, except Oscar. Participant go back, except Oscar.
Go.
Hey,
Bro, I am a
The
new
owner
player.
is there only.
pushing you or any illegal stuff?
He's carrying illegal.
Heavy shotgun. Yeah. I saw.
This is open the crate.
What do you want, Bihari?
Shop, open the crate.
King, go back.
Yes, going.
Okay, everyone go back. Yeah. Okay, Osgur will here and Kamal and Osgur come inside. Like, don't stay at road.
Oscar, how many time you need to come back?
I called.
Alright.
Okay, Alex, come, Alex.
Guys, come back.
Alright, show me your passport,
Happy?
please.
What?
Show me your passport and put off your
Remove your
mask.
mask, Effie. Remove your mask.
There you go.
Yeah, put off your mask. Okay. What is the car name?
It's Ubermacht F91 M8.
Alright, what is the specification you have done? Any upgrades?
I have maxed it out. It's fully maxed out.
Alright.
And I don't have a drift kit on it.
You have or you haven't?
I don't.
Alright. What is the top speed of the car?
It's around 350 and 400.
Alright. And does the color comes with the what can I say? Comes with the stock or from the showroom, or you have upgraded, change the color? Do you have changed-
I changed it.
Alright. Okay, we'll test your top speed. Just go to the race course.
Okay.
He said 350, right? let's.
FA, you also keep a track on it at top speed, okay? And go to your top speed. Move.
Move, if you move. Go. No, not great.
It doesn't have.
But he has skills. Alright, you can go back, Effie.
Happy going your back.
Alright, go. Zoro, what was the top speed? Oh my. Zoro, what was the top speed?
190, 195.
Alright. Hello, come out of the picture if you wanna participate. So, sir, what is the car name?
Porsche 911.
Porsche 911. Show me your passport. Alright, you can you spell the car name again?
It's a P Fisher 911 GT3
Did I ask
RS.
you? Did I ask you? You literally got this qualified for that. Okay. Anyways, do you have any special specifications?
Yeah, my car has all drift kits and pro parts. It will go like 400 top speed.
Like what?
And this color is very rare color.
All right. What is the top speed?
400. It will go like 400.
All right. Okay. We'll test the top speed. Go to the race course. And remember, you have already told your car name wrong. You said Porsche 911. So, anyways, go to the race course.
Sorry.
Lie is a lie.
Go.
Yeah, go reach your max speed. And I am warning your
Reach your
girlfriend. I am warning your girlfriend. If she is still here, it will be trouble for him. Tell your
Okay.
girlfriend to go back.
Yeah, go to your top.
Go to your top speed. Go.
I will never try.
Drive in the right side. What is the top speed?
What was the top speed? You can go back. Go back.
Okay, go back.
What sir?
What was your top speed?
Now it goes like 160, 170. Normally
Okay.
in highway, its top speed is 4.
Okay. No.
Zoro, how copy?
Back up.
Zoro, what was the top speed? Oh my God. What was the top speed? Zoro. What was the top speed? What was the top speed?
170, 180, Alex.
Alright. Now, let's come to him.
You are the last one, but there is a.
Show me your
surprise.
passport, please.
Lol.
Show me your passport, sir.
Hello, Alex. If you are talking, cough drop.
Show me your passport,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, absolutely. Here is my passport.
Okay, I have already told the participants until the event ends, everyone have to stand in front of their car. Why you are here, Mister?
I am
Hello, this
standing in front of my car.
Not you, not you, not you, Ify. That guy.
because there was a shot
Not
fire,
not you,
you know,
Oscar,
and
Not
not
you,
as
you.
you
not you,
know,
no
I'm
you.
an
She. Not
not
you,
me.
Oscar. Nah. To that guy.
Oh, okay,
To that guy. He came in.
okay,
Well, alright. What is the specification for your
okay.
car?
Whoever is saying on radio, please come to
As you
talk.
know, it's Enus Phantom, and it's upgraded by the Mansory, you know,
Oh, this is on
and
Mansuri?
it has sirens. Yeah, it has sirens and lights, you know, as a FIB or LSPD or something cars, you know.
Oh, means the
And
special cars have to be provided to the leaders. That's one. Okay. The
mhm.
special siren one. Okay. Okay. How much you have
Yeah, yeah,
for?
yeah.
Alright.
It's 40 million
Alright. Will you sell it?
by the.
If I.
No, I wouldn't sell it because
How?
I love this car, you know.
No. Why? Why you sell it?
Because as you know, I'm an FIB and it has sirens, you know.
That's why.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay. Does the color is stock or you have upgraded the color? And also I
Uh,
didn't see. I believe this is not a Rolls Royce rims.
yes. I put some upgrades and tuning parts, you know.
Oh.
And it's going approximately 300 kilometer on the road. But
Oh.
I'm
That's
not
a.
sure about the earth, you know.
That's a good speed for the sedan. Okay, I believe
Yeah.
as I have seen many Rolls Royces and I have one. I haven't seen the rims like that, like these. Does there is changes in the rims? Means will cap.
How can I say?
Do you have
As
changed?
you can see, it's a good rims for this car, you know. That's
Yeah.
why I put it.
And it is white. Does it luminous?
Yeah, it's luminous.
Oh my god. All right.
Oh my god.
So can you please honk your car? We can.
Yeah, absolutely.
You have said
Absolutely.
about the specifications.
Hong Kong.
Oh my god. Nice one. Okay, we'll test your top speed. Go to the race course.
Okay.
And see if you
Wrong
win,
game.
will you sell it?
He's not.
No. I wasn't. I'm not selling.
Oh yeah, I'm joking. Alright, keep your sirens on and go. Go. Okay, you can go back. You can go back also.
177.
What?
So Alex,
Hundred.
come out please.
What is the
I'm
top speed?
saying, who is the
177.
Yeah. What do you think, Legend?
I'm saying,
Who is
who is the first and second and third?
What do you think? Let me tell
I
you.
would say Oscar will be the first.
Second one.
Yeah, because 40 million car, it's not.
Yeah.
Second
And
one.
it's unique. It's unique. You see.
Yeah, and there is a
Yeah.
siren also.
Siren also.
And
Yeah.
check the rims also luminous.
Yeah. And the green car is disqualified. He has done mischievous things already.
Which one?
Green car, green Porsche.
Okay.
Alright. What do you think?
And I guess maybe Thrax will be second. I guess.
No. Trax will be third because that is not a DLC car. You know, the expensive car.
Okay.
We have got another one, expensive than that. What do you think about FE, Legend?
FE car is not too much good. FE car is not too much good.
But we don't have an option, no?
Like if you are talking about like price of the car value, so FE will be third because it's maybe around 9 million car, yeah.
Yeah, but Shadows
It's
one,
only 4 million, I
yeah,
guess.
4 million, and the let me take the upgrades, and it will be cost 9 million. But the Shadows car is sold in the market in 6 million without whole upgrade, like max one.
Okay.
So what do you think?
I have
And if you
also
calculate
threats.
for Pitster,
No. He has broken many rules. You know, when we are calculating, he come in front of us. He broke rules. He doesn't know the car
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
He doesn't know the car name. He said Porsche 911. His girlfriend make him right.
But actually, there is no car like Porsche.
Yeah. So he have done many mistakes. So we can't do that. It's against the rules. So what do you think? Oscar first. Shadow
Okay,
third.
so first Oscar. Okay, and according to me, second will be Shadow and third will be Effie. Now it's up to you.
All right, let's do that. Do that. Let's do that.
So okay, this is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, how copy?
Good copy. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, come near the casino with 4-seater car. Come.
All right, guys.
10-5 your last, sir.
What do you think? Who is the first? Who will be the first? What do you
Zoro,
think?
tell him.
come with the 4-seater car.
He will be the first. First, I think.
You are right. Oscar is the first. Oscar? Hello?
Second.
Yes.
You are the first one,
That's
as always.
you.
Okay, okay, Oscar.
Okay.
Again, you are the winner.
He is so lucky, man. He got
Thank
this
you.
man said.
And Shadow.
OCC picking Alex.
Shadow.
Yeah, it is not transferable.
It's how can I? Yeah, it's not trust.
I know. I know.
Yeah,
Wait if you don't go.
Hello. Shadow.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm saying you are second. Congratulations. I'm gonna
Oh,
give it.
thanks so much. Okay, thanks. Yay! Yeah, should I go?
You are third, my boy.
Wait. Okay.
Bro, how come?
Effie,
Huh?
Congo, you are third. I'm gonna give you a prize pool.
Everyone remove the barricades.
Got you?
Bro, with 50k you cannot buy a milk.
You can buy. It's not too much.
You know what is correct?
Bro. Milk costs $18. What do you mean? You can buy a 50k. 50k you can buy a card, man, itself.
Now I have 19 million.
Nice. Give something.
Bro, I have super support. What you speaking about, Alex?
Yeah, then why you haven't?
That's why I
taken it?
didn't bring it.
Yes, Super Sport. You should have to bring it.
You are
Alright, the
jealousy,
event is
huh,
over.
with
You can
Oscar?
go back. Everyone put your
Thank
Put
mic.
down your gun.
Put
Effie.
your
Okay, watch
the
your 10.
barricades. Everyone take off the
Happy.
barricades.
10-17 to casino.